In this video, I want to talk about open source and what is open source. But if you're first time here, my name is Artem, I'm a full stack software engineer, and I'm giving out tips and tricks on how to become a successful developer. So if you're not subscribed yet, consider doing it now. So when it comes to open source development, the first thing to understand is that it's free to use, it's free to change, it's free to look at, meaning that if you want to implement similar logic or implement that specific package into your platform, you can do so. You can do it and without worrying about copyrights or anything like that. So let's say you're in the middle of building out your house. You have built out the walls, the roof, but you're not entirely sure how to build out your windows, doors. What do? Well, this is where you'll go and look at other people's houses. You want to learn from them, right? So you'll take a look at how they build their house in terms of their windows, doors. But then you have noticed that in their homes, in their house, they don't have too good of a roof. As it turns out, you find out that there could be a leakage if there were to be a rain or some sort of a strong wind. The roof is just gonna be blown away. So what you can do is you can contribute saying, hey, you might want to fix this part of a roof because I think this is what's gonna happen. And then your code will be implemented, or your hardware in the building out the roof will be implemented. And then once you go back to your own project, to your own home, since you already learned on how to make windows, doors, that's exactly what you'll be able to do right now to your project. And of course, since your project is also an open source, other developers, other architects can come to your project. They can take a look at what you have. Maybe the way you build out the roof could be improved, or could be made a suggestion on how to do something else with it. And the people keep on building on top of it over and over again. And speaking of projects, I do have a video on where I already made 4 different project ideas that I'm giving you for front end, back end. So if you're a self-taught developer, or if you're trying to get your first employment job, I recommend you taking a look at that project, as I think it's gonna help you to get your first job. And that's what open source in a nutshell is. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.